Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, October 6th, 2025. Wanted to go on here. I've been talking about TLT for months that I thought was maybe completing a sideways triangle if you like Elliott wave. But again, I'm using my Wyckoff indicators to give me the setup first. So you can see here down at the bottom we have our technometer readings, and we got our volume here, optimism, pessimism, which takes 5-minute volume and then posts it to a daily chart. Now the thing I want to zero in here and look at, you can see here just in the last few weeks, volume has went to new highs, which means there's been buying from this high, but you can see we tested the high, actually a pretty 50% rally test back to recover these losses. So that doesn't look too good. Looks like somebody was selling into this market here on TLT, which means, and as you know, this high was made when the Fed lowered rates. So since the Fed's lowered rates, 20-year rates have gone up. So I think something's going on there. And then again, this is bearish. And then as you can see here, we got almost really our most extreme overbought tech reading right at those highs. And that's because you had the plus volume coming in. The technometer is based more on volume. So you were having a volume surge that didn't take price to new highs. And then Friday late and today, you're having the repercussions from that. So I really think the TLT's headed down. You can probably place the stop up there at that 89.72 level. Currently, we're 88.73. And I think we're going to continue lower. So one way to play that is TMV, which is really 3x bear. So as you can see today, TLT's down, TMV is up 3x, and it also has the same type of divergence. Sell volume coming in while price is not. That gives you a buy here for the bear. And then the other thing I think you can look at is ZB1 exclamation. This is the T-bond futures, the Chicago Board of Trade, where I used to trade. And you can see here, same type of thing. You got this divergence. You had new highs on the volume for the T-bond futures. Price did that 50% recovery and then turning down. So I don't know why you put that in the overall economic picture. Higher rates means that I presume you say economy's doing better, rates aren't going to be lowered anymore, and at some point they'd be raised. Or the worst scenario is probably inflation is getting ready to pick up, and that's going to put pressure on interest rates, and that's what's going to drive the TLT much lower out of that triangle formation. And just to make sure you understand what that means, that's the large triangle formation, but what that tells you is the 20-year interest rate is getting ready to spike dramatically higher above the highs back here in 2023. So it means rates are going higher. Again, I'm not sure what you do with that information. Do your own research. I just want to put that out there that the indicators are lining up. It looks like TLT's headed lower, and it might be the start of something. Good luck.